Okay, so you have your designs finished, and now you'd like to possibly get the parts in to build it, or maybe you want to share your design on Bricklink, or even sell the instructions on Rebrickable or other sites. I am going to take this video and show you how to do that with your designs. I'm assuming you know what Bricklink is because that is where the studio software comes from. If you have not ordered parts from Bricklink before, I'm going to show you how to do that through this video. And for those unfamiliar with Rebrickable, this is a site where you can share or sell your instructions. This page is just showing some of the instructions that I have available on Rebrickable. I'll post my Rebrickable link in the description below if you want to go take a look. I want to take a moment to remind you about Studio Lego Designers Facebook group. The group is growing so much faster than I expected. There is so many great posts and contributions from the members, and it is just a great wonderful group to be part of, to see all the conversations going on. So take a moment and check out the link in the description below and come join the Studio Lego Designers community. As well, if you are not aware, I am a freelance Lego designer, so if you wish to commission a design that you'd like to see in brick form, or if you have a mock that you wish instructions to be created for, please feel free to contact me. Thanks so much. There are a few simple ways we can get our designs up into Bricklink, and these are built right into Studio. So let's open up Studio and I will show you how to do that. From Studio, if we first sign in to Bricklink, if you go over to the right-hand side of the screen, you click Sign In, enter your information there. Now, if you click on either the Add to Wanted list or the Upload to My Studio, these will both take you to Bricklink. The Wanted list is where you're going to go if you want to buy the parts for your model. If you want to share your design on Bricklink, then you would upload to My Studio. So first we will try the Wanted list. So when we hit that button, it will bring us to this screen, which will create a wanted list for us in the XML format. So then we can proceed to verify items. That will bring us to this wanted list where we can change the conditions that we want, the max price. If you know the average price of the part, you can put that in so that stores don't charge you too much for your parts. You can update the quantity, or you can add remarks, etc. here. If we go down to the bottom of that list, we can add it to wanted list. That will bring us to this screen where we can view our wanted list or upload more items. So we'll go to view the tomahawk for now. This will bring us to another wanted list, which is now under our profile. Again, we can update the conditions, the max price, the quantities. If you want to multiple select and change all of those at once, you could do that by clicking this top arrow and it will just change everything all at once. If we go to buy everything, so we're going to click buy all. The list of stores will be based on your filters, so you can have them in a specific area or whether or not they accept your currency. You can also exclude disliked stores or stores that don't ship from you, etc. You want to make sure you can get as many parts as possible from one store, because shipping charges will escalate quickly, especially if you're ordering a long ways away from you. For instance, I order a lot of parts from Europe, so I generally have to calculate a 20 euro extra fee for every single order that I place. To take care of that, you want to exclude any stores that have lots below your wanted quantity. And again, you can choose to filter out any stores that have lots over the max price. So we're going to go through this list, and as we select the store, our wanted list is going to update automatically so that the number of stores decreases and the number of parts we have to get from each store decreases. So I'm going to show you that now. So we'll select this store and confirm the selection and see that updated list now. Now we only have 19 bricks from this one here, 27 from the first one. So we'll select this store and confirm that selection. And then our numbers will just keep going down and down and down. You can do it that way. That gives you a bit more control over your orders. You can also use the easy buy option, which I will show you now. So go to your wanted list, and along the same line as your wanted list is the easy buy option. So you can click on that. And again, this will find all the stores, but instead of cherry picking, it's just going to give you a list of stores where you can order your parts from and have the complete order as cheap as possible. So if you click on this button, it's going to go and create your parts for you. And the rest is pretty much like any other online experience. So let's go and view our parts now. So this is the summary of our order through that store. If we proceed to checkout, it will bring us to our store terms and conditions. Please make sure to read the terms and conditions. You will sometimes have stores that put charges on almost anything. Even going to pick up the bricks, they will charge you for it. Go through and read those terms. I have been stung a few times, and it is not a pleasant experience. After you click the agree and continue button, you cannot cancel your order unless the seller agrees to cancel your order, and most sellers will not agree to cancel that order. Now, because I don't actually want to buy these parts, I'm going to go delete these carts so you can view all carts and click the checkbox here and then just delete them. If you go to order under your profile, you will be brought with this page, which shows you your orders and what the status is of them. So I have 3 current orders that I've made that I'm paying for. Once the transaction is complete, I've got my bricks, I've checked them over to make sure that they're all good. I will post feedback to the sellers, but only if they have posted positive feedback to me first. It's just a little give and take, like all business. That hopefully will give you a good guide of how to go through Bricklink and order your parts. So let's move on to the studio gallery. Back in studio now, we go up to the top right-hand side again, and we can upload our design to my studio. Click the upload button. Okay, when that's done uploading, you can click view my studio and it will pop open the studio, and you can click the title of your design to open up some options for you. So you can choose its category, view the building steps, change the image, add a description, add some tags. You can also change the axis of people who view the design. So you can change it from full to partial to display only. Keep in mind, there are some restrictions on what designs you can upload to Bricklink now that Lego owns it. So make sure to read those. As well, there are some terms that says that Lego has the rights to the designs that are uploaded on Bricklink. So if you do not wish to have Lego having the rights on your designs, I suggest that you delete the design from Studio. Okay, that's covered Bricklink really well, so I hope that will help you get the parts that you need and share your designs. Now we're going to move on to Rebrickable. This is the main site I use for posting my instructions. There are other options available, and if you're going to sell instructions, by all means, take a look at all the different options that other sites have. I like Rebrickable because it's very traceable and it has a very large audience base. So to upload your design, you're going to go to Mocks, submit a mock, and this is going to take you through a step-by-step process of how to submit a mock. I'm not going to get into all of these steps, but you first need to have a description, and in that description you can add extra pictures, add a YouTube video. You're going to add an image. You're going to put in any links that you have to your project. Then you need to upload instructions. These can be in IO format or PDF format. It is suggested that you use PDF format because it's more friendly for people to use and understand. And then you're going to upload an inventory. This is where you're going to use your IO files to upload a parts list. Keep in mind that everybody's going to be able to see the parts when you put your instructions on Rebrickable. So if your design is easily copied and you put on a parts list and you're trying to sell your instructions, they may not sell so well because people are just going to go to the inventory and then build your design from the images that you've shown. Just a little cautionary tale if you are going to be posting your designs on Rebrickable. And lastly, you're going to submit your design. After you've submitted a few designs, it's actually going to be an automatic process as long as everything is correct in these previous steps, especially the inventory. If there are any errors, then the submission will have to go through the moderators before it can be added to the site. When you have uploaded your design, you can find your mocks by going to Account Mocks, and then it'll bring up a page like this where it shows the thumbnails of each of your designs. You can click on them, open them up, and then there's a section at the end called Admin where you can change any of those settings that you put in those steps. As well, you can change the inventory. You can also buy the parts through Brickowl or Bricklink if you choose that option through Rebrickable. One neat feature of Rebrickable is being able to export the parts list in a few different formats. If you export the parts list in Studio, it automatically comes out as a CSV. But if you remember back to when we uploaded the parts list to Bricklink, it asks for an XML. That is a quick run through on how to take your designs from Studio and get the parts on Bricklink or post them on Rebrickable. I hope this has helped you out. I've had quite a few questions about this, so I hope I've answered all of your questions. If this video has helped you out, please take time to like and subscribe to the channel and share it around so that others can benefit from it. In the next video, I am going to be talking about the stability test in Studio. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.